These days, the Netflix subscription actually includes free mobile games with no ads and no in-app purchase. It's actually pretty cool and makes the subscription really worth the money. Now, if you want to know how to find, download, and play Netflix games on your Android phone, here's what you need to do. Step 1. How to install. First, open up Netflix. Make sure you're signed in to the correct profile. Now, on the home menu, you should already have a mobile game list. If you don't see any, go to the Games section. From here, tap on any game you want to play. After that, tap on Get Game. Tap on this Go to Play Store button. Now install it directly from Google Play Store. Step 2. Play the game. Once the game is installed, open it. Now sign in with Netflix if you're prompted. Now select the profile you want to use. Let the game load up. Now all that is left is for you to follow the on-screen instructions and enjoy the game just like you usually do. And that's it. That's how you play Netflix games on your Android phone. So what games are you installing now? Is it San Andreas or RDR? Be sure to let me know in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching.